We now get a green line and the past label. The print statements we added in our fixtures aren't being shown. For those to be printed, you need to add a -s flag to the command, like so. This gives us a good insight into when things are called and the order of operations of our fixtures. We'll add just one more test to mark this part complete. I want to verify that if I hit the page a second time, I get the number 2 in the counter. We'll also check the value directly in the database to be thorough. First, update the imports at the top of testcounter.py so we can read from the model directly. Then add the second test below the first one. We mark the test as async and inject both the create_test client and create_test_app fixtures. First, we hit the home page once, which sets the counter's value to 1, because the database is created fresh for each test function. Since the previous test already checks the value on the first run, there's no need to assert it again here. Then we hit the page a second time and assert that the response now says counter 2. Finally, to be really sure, we check the value directly in the database. We open an application context so we can reach current app.dbc, open a connection with begin, run a select on the counter table, and assert that the first row's count column equals 2. Save the file and run the tests. As you can see from the output, the database was created and destroyed twice, once per test function. And with that, we have a working database-powered Quart application with tests, all running in Docker. We can use this as a boilerplate for any project that uses Quart and Postgres. If you want to grab the updated boilerplate at any time, just visit this GitHub repo.